Hi everybody and welcome to Prima's YouTube channel. Today is a special day when the new Pumpkin and Spice collection is being revealed. On today's video, I am going to take one of Frank's mini album, tear it apart, then build it up again using nothing else but his own collection as the perfect excuse. So hopefully, Frank, you will forgive me once I'm done. And for you Prima fans, I hope you will enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and hop over to my own channel where I am sharing tutorials, informative videos, tips, secrets, and more. So I will be waiting for you there. In the meantime, enjoy! Start by separating the inner part of the album from its cover with a knife. Rip the paper that connected the two pieces together. Mark the album cover outline on a piece of felt and cut according to your measurements. Adhere the cover to the piece of felt you have just cut. Cut a piece of fabric that will be approximately 1.5 inches bigger than each side of the cover. Adhere the fabric to the cover in one side, make sure to adhere it nicely and tight, then do the same for the other side as well. Cut the excess fabric in all four corners, then adhere the fabric to the cover in the two sides that have left. At this point, your cover is completed, but aesthetic-wise, I chose to sew the cover all around the edges. If you don't have a sewing machine, you absolutely don't have to do that. Now we are going to connect the cover to its inside spine just as it was at the beginning. Choose two of the same patterned paper.
The first measurement is for knowing where to fold the paper, as we want it to combine the two parts together. So one side of this paper will be adhered to the spine and the other side will be adhered to the cover. Use the spine chipboards to show you where to fold. You should mark the paper exactly at the same width of the chipboards. The second measurement is for knowing the height of the spine, so we could trim the excess. You should mark your paper exactly at the same height as the chipboard. Now do the same for the other side with the second paper. Adhere one side to the spine and the other one to the cover. As the paper was not big enough to cover all the cover, I am adhering another piece so it will look nice and tidy. Now let's decorate our new cover. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope Frank did forgive me for ruining his beautiful album. I invite you all to my own channel. You can find me at Sharon Ziv Numish with many tutorials and informative videos. I will be waiting you there. Bye bye.